The Indian stock market can be a goldmine if you know how to navigate it, but for beginners, it might feel overwhelming. Fortunately, you don't need to spend a fortune on courses to get started. The best YouTube channel to learn about the stock market in India for free can offer you everything you need to know, from the basics to advanced strategies. Learning about the stock market isn't just for seasoned investors. Understanding how the stock market works can open up new avenues for wealth creation. These channels offer free, valuable insights that can help you make informed financial decisions. When searching for the best YouTube channel to learn about the stock market in India for free, you should consider the following factors. Pranjal Kamar's channel, Phenology, is undoubtedly one of the best YouTube channels to learn stock trading in India. C.A. Rachana Ranade's channel is a great choice. Trading Chanakya is perfect for those interested in the technical aspects of trading. Invest Yadnya is a channel that focuses on financial planning and investing, with a significant emphasis on the Indian stock market. Market Gurukul offers detailed tutorials that are perfect for someone looking to master the art of trading. Asset Yogi is a channel that covers everything from stock market basics to real estate investing and personal finance. Set learning goals. Decide what you want to achieve, whether it's mastering the basics or learning advanced trading strategies. Be consistent, regularly watch videos and take notes. Join the conversation, engage with the community in the comments section. YouTube offers several advantages for stock market learners. Finding the best YouTube channel to learn about the stock market in India for free can be a game changer for anyone looking to get serious about investing. By following these channels and making the most of the content they offer, you can develop a strong foundation in stock market investing without spending any money.